Uh, yeah, yeah, Every day was a day of tragedy. Cute little face, ubusubdwele inyembezi. No shoulder to cry on, she's on her own. Kunzima nokulala, always up thinking. Painful tears, shielded by silence. Beautiful face, shrouded by violence. Break the silence, let the victimizer go to jail. Decompose slowly, as he dies in vain. Here's the story, she lost her mom at the age of 8. Felt so lonely, life was a heavy load. Raised by a single parent, couldn't sway time. In the absence of him, nyembeza slidama. Wet pillows thinking deep while she's at a slip. Long road getting steep, now she cries on whips. At the age of 11, he started raping her. Made her cry every night, he started hurting her. I remember one night when he locked her up. Amathemba pelile, she's ready to give up. Wamkhulula impahla ngenkani and he got it on. He did it so hard, he did it on the floor.
With the face my ankles are, I can see what's troubling you. Through the pain drawn up on your face, I can see the trouble in you. Through the face my ankles are, I can see what's troubling you. Through the pain drawn up on your face, I can see the trouble in you. Through the fake smile and giggles I can see what's troubling you. Through the pain drawn up on your face, I can see the trouble in you.
June 27th when she took her life.
I'm witnessing the pain in your smile. Working around with her head like pretending like everything is just fine. I can see the pain in her eyes. I'm witnessing the pain in her smile. Walking around with her head like pretending like everything is just fine.
She sat down, whizzing hard on her deepest thoughts. Ugcwele ukusola, she's feeling like a flop. Deep down in her heart, inqeba liqala isukunwebeka. She's crying each and every night, akhondo nomnceda. You ripped me off, now you can't sell me. You broke my heart, now you can't fix it. You got me sick, now you can't heal me. You took my dreams, why don't you just kill me? Every night you would sex her, make her cry. With this pain going deep, you would let her die. Fake giggles, fake smiles, she started covering. Dreams suffocated, her future started dimming. She's only 16, but she's HIV positive. Living a life with fear, always thinking negative. She couldn't stand the pain as she was getting old. She hanged herself until her body went cold.